I'll be talking on web penetration testing with ZAP. So today we'll be covering on what is ZAP and how to download and install ZAP and advantages of ZAP over Burp Suite. So what is ZAP? ZAP is a short for Z Attack Proxy. It is an open source web application security scanner. So basically, it is a tool to perform a vulnerability test on your web application. It is also similar to the Burp Suite. So I'll be showing you a demo on how to download and install ZAP. So we'll have to go to your browser first and search for zapproxy.org and yes, you'll be given with this web page and you'll have to click on download now and you will be provided with many options on your OS. So you could select the OS that you're running on. So I am running on Windows, and if you want to make sure which bits you're running on, we will have to check that. We'll have to go to DX DIAG and then click enter. You will be provided with the system information. So you could see that I'm running on 64-bit. So I'll download a 64-bit installer. So let's give it a second to load and yes. Yeah, so I'll tell you about ZAP and its advantages. So why we choose ZAP over Big Burpsuite is that ZAP is an open source and it is free, whereas Burpsuite has like they have three packs suits where free edition, community suite, and professional suite. So for these three, the community and the free edition suite is free, but for the professional suite you will have to pay. So the most features that are that to be used are available in professional suite. So we would go for Zap where all the other features and will be free and we could directly use it. So the file is downloaded. Let me install. I'll show you how to install and process. Let me go to the library, go to downloads, and yes, double click on your thing and run it as an administrator. Let's give it a second to load. So this is your setup wizard and click on next and you'll have to read all the license agreement terms and conditions and then check your I accept the agreement and then click next and we will go for the standard installation or you could do your custom installation. So for now I'll be going with standard installation. So this is your other information on destination menu, all those stuff, and click on install. So the installation will be done faster compared to others, compared to Zap, Burpsuite. Zap also provides you all the features that is available in Burpsuite. So as it's open source, it's free for everyone to use. Okay, the ZAP is installed successfully, and let me open ZAP and show you how to set up. Let's give it a minute. Take some time to load in the beginning. Yes, our ZAP has opened. It loads all your tips and tricks and other informations in the section. Make sure your ZAP is up to date and you download the updated version so that all the features will work fine when you do your penetration testing on your web application. So it takes time on your first load. So you could see all the information, what is initializing and other useful information. So we'll have to give all the permissions so that it could set up your ZAP properly. So this is where port is in use. Okay, this shows the proxy port is already in use, 8080. So it gives you a new port where you could set up your own, so that as default it could start working on that port number or the proxy. So do you want to pause sessions? Cancel. Let's cancel this and so this is your dashboard when you first start up your ZAP. This looks similar to your burp suite. So you could perform all your regular testing on this ZAP, which is similar to burp suite. And let's proceed next. And yes,